Welcome to the Multimedia Impact Weather Briefing for Central Alabama. Today is Tuesday, February 11th, 2014, and this briefing will continue to focus on the potential for winter weather today through Wednesday night across portions of north central Alabama. To start off, let's look at the current observations around the region at 4 a.m. The freezing temperatures have reached as far south as the northern Jefferson County area, and much of the forecast accumulations will be greatly dependent on the time when temperatures fall below freezing in any particular area. Snowfall has been ongoing across our northernmost counties in central Alabama this morning, and this activity is expected to continue through noon today and then begin to taper off during the afternoon. Meanwhile, across the area highlighted in blue, we have begun to get reports of freezing rain and sleet in some of the higher elevations. This trend is expected to continue as the temperatures continue to fall to or below freezing over the next hour or so. Fluctuations to the north or south are still possible depending on the exact temperatures and where the heaviest band of precipitation sets up. So continue to check back for the latest forecasts and products frequently for any updates on what can be expected in your location. As far as accumulations, here is the latest estimate of what we can expect for a combination of sleet and snow. It is important to remember that with varying types of accumulation, less may be needed for impacts to occur. This next slide shows what we are expecting as of now as far as the ice accumulations from freezing rain. Again, these amounts depend greatly on exactly when and where the heaviest band of precipitation sets up and when temperatures fall below freezing. As we transition into the Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday morning time frame, precipitation will mainly be in the form of rain across much of central Alabama as a short wave approaches the area. The exception will be across the north, where a mixture of rain and sleet will continue. Minor accumulations of sleet and ice are expected in this area for Tuesday night and into Wednesday morning, and unfortunately our chances for winter weather don't end here. As the shortwave moves across central Alabama Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night, rain will begin to transition over to freezing rain and snow. We will continue to highlight the possibility of continued impacts with this prolonged event, with lows expected to be in the lower 30s and significant accumulations possible, especially across the northeast. Taking a look at the ice accumulations expected with the freezing rain Tuesday night through Wednesday night, much of central Alabama can expect less than 1/10 of an inch. However, some of the higher elevations in the northeast may get accumulations slightly higher than that. Finally, here are the additional sleet and snow accumulations through Wednesday night. One thing to remember is that much of the accumulations forecast for the second wave of winter weather will depend on how our current situation pans out. If the temperatures do not warm as much as expected this afternoon, the sub-freezing temperatures may return sooner, which will greatly impact our total precipitation accumulations. Thanks for viewing this briefing. Just a reminder, for rapidly changing situations and while events are ongoing, please see the graphics on the front of our webpage for the latest information. You can also follow us on Facebook or Twitter to find out the latest as well and send in any reports that you might have. If you have any additional questions, please give us a call at 205-664-3010. Thank you.